my name is Samuel, and I will be talking about why I love reading through my book that's over there. First, I'll talk about how I used to feel about reading. Second, I'll talk about how I discovered the fun of reading. Third, I'll talk about the magic of reading. Um, First things first. I used to hate reading utterly. It was boring. I didn't see the purpose for it, and my family was all a bunch of big readers, nerds. And they kept suggesting me books that I did not want to read. And in fact, my mom would make me read historical fiction novels. Like this one series was really a bunch of tiny books, 48 of them, which I eventually just pretended to read and then kind of hid them somewhere. And then my favorite book, Aragon, was my brother suggested to me, and I didn't want to read it because it was very they had bad taste. But then one day I was bored sitting by a bookshelf, and I saw this book just sitting there with the picture of a blue dragon on it, and so I picked it up and I read it, and I enjoyed it because it was magic and dragons and other stuff, and that was very interesting. And in a way that is, I liked it because it's like magic. You get to transport yourself to another world that is not like this one. It's interesting with magic and stuff and dragons, which is way cooler than cars, for example. And First, I talked about how I used to hate reading. Second, I talked about how I discovered the fun of reading. Third, I talked about the magic of reading. Thank you.